Separated in this way, New Guinea's animally bizarre. The male call the face of a prospective mate. From one crow-like ancestor, birds of paradise have evolved into 40 different kinds. In its highlands, the unbird-like shapes. Has a unique display for attracting mates, and none is more. Every morning he clears his court of the nights, a vital chore if he wants to attract a mate. Ideas courts. Perfect. Now is his chance to really impress. Females are very fussy and choreographed routine to be faultless. He opens with a bow. His blue eye must flash yellow. So far, so good. Has all the moves. Footwork. The spin. Head feathers and quivering wings are a side step and head bob look good from any angle, but his crowning glory can have a perspective. Wait for it. Crescent throat patch. Her excitement grows.